Hello everyone, welcome to the new video in my YouTube channel. My name is Sanatomo. I'm Microsoft MVP in the business application category. So basically I create this chatbot. It's an accessible chatbot for people that have some visual impairments. So the idea is to help people to understand the situation and to talk with the chatbot and to show the potential of to build intelligent chatbot using Power Virtual Agents. So basically, we can develop Power Virtual Agents bot for the web that we can implement inside our Facebook or WhatsApp or our custom website or something like that. In that case, I implemented inside the Power Apps portals. And also we have the Power Virtual Agents for teams that we can build an intelligent chatbot and implement inside our teams channel, our teams team that we can discuss with something like that relate to the team. So in that case, it's an accessible chatbot. Let me refresh the page. So basically
Renato's site was developed with an accessible chatbot that you can hear the bot messages and reply to them typing with your keyboard if you have any visual impairment.
So basically
press the key enter if you want to talk with the accessible bot or ESC if not.
So basically when I open my custom website using Power Apps portals, basically I have a warning message that I can press enter or press ask to close the pop-up. So if I confirm pressing the enter key, basically I'm starting an accessible chatbot using Power Virtual Agents. Let's start. So basically the idea is to open the chatbot.
Bot said, "Hi there." Waving hand. Bot said, "Thanks for getting in touch with impairments team."
So people that have some visual impairments can continue to discuss just typing the message, "Hi."
You said, "Hi." Bot said, "Tell us about you." Bot said, "Tell us about you." Bot said, "We want to understand who you are, woman getting massage." Bot said, "Name."
So basically in that case I develop a custom chatbot that it's a simple chatbot showing some messages and some icons, but we can improve our chatbot to help help the specific people that have some visual impairments, and to implement an accessible chatbot using Power Virtual Agents. It's quite simple. So basically I can refresh and refresh the page and hear the audio again or something like that. So it's just a sample, it's just a template that we can build using Power Virtual Agents. It's an intelligent chatbot, and if you have any questions related to the chatbot and relate to the Power Virtual Agents, let me know, send me a message, connect with me on the LinkedIn, YouTube channel or Instagram or something like that. So see you. Thank you. Bye.